Hey, welcome back. So this is the second half of that video that I was recording because I recorded in two different parts. So we're going back. We're still on the hunt for completing bots. So I hope you enjoy this conclusion and let's get started. So we are going to end up moving gear production over to the other side as well. I wanted to wait still. No recipe selected. Oh, I've got one. All right, so you're going to work on chassis. It's going to use some of those carrots. All right, so this one's going to be bot limbs. This one's going to be bot heads. Yeah, these guys got nothing to do, so I can actually get rid of these lumberjack flags. Because, man, they really cleared that out. And we will come back to this area later. Maybe after I move, I'll actually start streaming this and then take the streaming video and record it and cut it up and edit. Stream on Twitch. One of my friends has been trying to get me to stream on Twitch. He plays Final Fantasy 14 online on top of other games when he's not streaming building Gunpla. And I started playing Final Fantasy 14 like a year ago. Played it for a couple weekends, I'd say. Not even months. A couple weekends over a few months. And it's time consuming to do it. So it takes so much time and everything. So I'm trying to get to level 60 so I can actually do stuff with him, because he's got like what do you say, an Omni max character or whatever, and pretty much every job class maxed out. So I've been thinking about that. But now is a whole lot of waiting for things to get built. I forgot gears are regular old storage items. Alright, all we need to do is get this bot assembler rolling. Oh wow. That was a slew of deaths from old age. I was like, what happened? I thought I had a ton of workers. Yeah, I have 21 babies though. So basically a large generation died off at the same time, which is interesting. Okay, since I have those gear workshops over there, what can I move over to that? What can I put instead of these? I mean, for all intents and purposes, I could just stop these from producing gears for the moment until I figure that out. But these are running fine. It's fine. And if you're trying to figure out what I'm doing over here, by opening up this side, the only real reason I needed that there was to actually get to this side, because it's a natural wall and I don't have to worry about flooding anything over here. So this is going to give me space to do something else I want, which I feel like I want to put up here, which I'm going to put up here. At least one excavator up here. And, you know, power won't be as much of an issue as I think. We should be having some kind of event coming up soon, because it's cycle 25, day 14. 3 gears. I just need 3. Bruh. There we go, like clockwork. A drought. All those excess carrots are going to be used for biofuel once I get that up. Oh, not underground. Just gonna need a large warehouse for carrots. Oh, seriously, I made... That's a rookie mistake. Okay, now build that one. Rookie mistake. All right, so now I should be building bots. If I didn't have a whole nother wave of deaths. So once I get 5 bots built, I can have them take over the process for this, for the bot creation to create more bots, and then I'll have them take over the refineries after that starts. All right, drought started. This drought's gonna be no big deal. Oh, we're full up on chestnuts because I forgot to put in... Oh my gosh, I forgot to put in another thing for grilled chestnuts.
You're killing me, Smalls!
And I feel quite silly about that. Well, our agora is built, which is awesome. Oh, hey, our bot factories are running. 18 hours to produce 1 chassis. 4.5 hours to produce 1 limb, so that's 9 hours to produce 2 limbs. 18 hours to produce a head. So all of them will run 4 limbs. Should have enough to make 1 bot at the same time. And it takes twice as long to create a bot as it does to take all the materials for 1. No big deal. Oh, that's awesome. Haha. I forgot they were building the mine, and I didn't realize it was actually done. That is great. And with that agora, we got ourselves up to 22, and it looks like we just peaked back down, probably because of the injured beavers. So at 21, we get plus 60% to working speed, plus 15% movement speed, and plus 40% to longevity, which is awesome. The next tier is at well-being 27 for some of them. I mean, longer lifespans are way better. Still waiting on a chassis. We're almost there. Cycle 26, day 1, our drought has ended and we are 50% to having our first bot.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
93. It's going to have to wait till tomorrow. It's quitting time. And we have created our first bot. And we are going to unlock it so that bot can go there. Okay, so we are going to pause these gear workshops. And reset these ones so we can get them producing. Because to make more bots, we need to up our gear game. You can pause that power wheel. That frees up another worker. All right, so I think I'm going to end it here. We have our first bot. It's working through the night, which is why bots are so great, because they'll continue working throughout. They don't adhere to the work hours that the beavers do. So I can start replacing certain things with bots, and they'll be a little bit more efficient. But in the same respect, they're expensive to build. So, yep, I think we're going to end it here. And in the next video, when I get to that, it will be time to start looking at a dirt excavator so I can get some interesting things done for our power situation. All right. Well, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.